Clean eating is all about embracing the natural goodness of whole foods. Imagine starting your day with a vibrant selection of fresh fruits and vegetables glistening with dew. Picture yourself enjoying a colorful salad in a sunny kitchen, feeling the warmth and relaxation of natural light. Preparing simple, wholesome meals with natural ingredients can be a joyful experience. The textures, the colors, everything comes together beautifully. Think about the journey of food, from a garden growing over time to the moment you confidently select fresh produce at a farmer's market. A balanced plate filled with whole foods isn't just visually appealing, it's a cornerstone of a healthy meal. Engaging in light, enjoyable physical activities like a walk in nature or some gentle yoga complements this holistic approach to wellness. Consider the stark difference between processed food and its whole food equivalent. The freshness and vitality of clean eating can make you feel energetic and healthy as you go about your daily activities. Imagine a bright, organized kitchen filled with healthy snacks and ingredients, ready to fuel your day. Transitioning to clean eating can transform your life. Picture starting in a cluttered kitchen, feeling overwhelmed, and then moving to a clean, organized space with fresh ingredients. It's a fresh start. A quick and easy clean eating recipe can be a game changer. Step by step, you'll see how simple it is to create a nutritious meal. Reading food labels at the grocery store becomes second nature, helping you choose natural ingredients with confidence. Imagine enjoying a picnic in the park with healthy snacks and drinks, savoring the social aspects of clean eating. It's not just about the food, it's about the joy and connection it brings. In the end, you'll feel happy and confident enjoying a meal with friends or family. Clean eating isn't just a diet, it's a sustainable lifestyle that brings lasting benefits. So, imagine a life where you enjoy various foods without guilt or restriction. That's the essence of a positive relationship with food. Breaking free from restrictive diet cycles symbolizes freedom and empowerment. Picture yourself throwing away a stack of diet books and scales, replacing them with fresh produce and a recipe book. It's a powerful shift towards a healthier mindset. Listening to your body's hunger cues and eating mindfully promotes intuitive eating. It's about trusting yourself and your body's needs. Think of it as a plant growing strong and healthy, representing the sustainable nature of clean eating. Never diet again. Embrace a lifestyle that nourishes you inside and out. Leave comments about healthy food choices that could help others. Like and subscribe so YouTube will send it out to more people. Thanks for watching.